operations of about 700 members at headquarters, 50 field offices with staff members there, project staff there, 171 member states, and we cover 6 main thematic technical branches: energy, environment, agriculture, etc., and 3 thematic pillars, which is the sustainable poverty reduction, trade capacity building, energy and environment, which overlaps everything together. And of course, the internal processes, services that are potential bodies of being evaluated, and about 100 projects per year are implemented in UNEDAP. Our evaluation group is in headquarters. We are 4 P staff, 4 professionals, and 3 G staff, plus consultants that we use for every evaluation that is needed, all at headquarters. We are driven by our evaluation policy, which provides the requirements and the criteria for doing independent evaluations, and we have mandatory evaluations for all projects above 1 million euros, plus donor requirements. Many of the projects funded by external donors require an evaluation by the donor, and that independently of the budget is also evaluated independently. And case-by-case projects of lower budget of 1 million are also evaluated when needed and required. Then we have country evaluations, thematic evaluations, process, desk reviews, meta evaluations, or impact evaluations, and on average, we are conducting 3 country evaluations per year, 3 thematic evaluations per year, 2 process, desk review, or impact evaluations per year on average, plus 20 to 30 projects are independent, evaluated at the end of the project. All of these activities of the evaluation, of course, in line with the purpose of the policy of the evaluation function, is to assure accountability, to support management, to be useful and the utility there, all as a tool for improve the performance of the organization, to do things better and better. And then it comes the difference: what is a real decentralized function that is managed directly by the evaluation group, and what is delegated in terms of the administration or the logistics of the management of the evaluation to the project managers. The first group, the country, thematic, process, or meta evaluations, are fully managed by the evaluation group, by the 4 staff members. We have our own budget. We develop the whole process. We even are part of the evaluation team. We normally hire consultants for being part of the evaluation team, of course, but we are fully involved in those evaluations. The project level evaluations, the 20 to 30 projects, are kind of delegated to the management, and we keep the quality assurance of that process in our hands. And I will show you in the next slide how we do that. Many times in the process being moved through the project manager, they have to issue the contract, they have to check the payment of the consultant, they have to do the whole administrative process behind, which sometimes is time consuming, but they have to do it. It's their responsibility. And sometimes there are delays and there are problems in timeliness of the process. Timing efficiency depends a lot on the project manager. And of course, there is always this risk of independency as bigger projects and more projects are coming. And our threshold of 1 million seems to be too low now because we are having more projects that will need an independent terminal evaluation. And the evaluation group is not growing, has not increased in staff. So how can we then manage more evaluations, even double the number of evaluations in the next 2 years is a challenge. Maybe we have to think on another criteria or increase the threshold or something like that. We are not using systematically the meta-evaluation with the project evaluation results. So we would like to do more meta-evaluations of the project evaluation results. It's a problem of resources and time again that we are not conducting that, but that is a challenge and a way forward we would like to follow. To what extent we could outsource more evaluations at project level? Fully outsource, even not taking care of quality assurance is also an option at some point. Money will be available in the project budget, but to what extent and how, and maybe the experiences of the other agencies will be interesting, how they are outsourcing evaluations fully. And one big challenge and thing that we are doing since last 2 years and we are continue to do is the capacity building. We are conducting training at regional level in the regions to foster evaluation management capacity building in our partners, government partners. And then probably it's a good idea to start thinking how to make synergies with other agencies. Of course, there is a client orientation that UNEDO works with the industrial ministries with a specific type of clients and partners, and to what extent that activities could be also shared with other agencies would be a good thing. But we really feel that this downstreaming of the capacity building in the clients on evaluation topics would be of value in all the process in any case. Thank you very much.